Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your sales settings in QuickBooks Online. This is essential for customizing how your invoices and sales forms appear to clients, ensuring your business workflow runs smoothly and professionally. First, let's navigate to the gear icon, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This gear icon is your gateway to all the important settings and configurations within QuickBooks. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This is where you'll have access to all the core preferences that control how QuickBooks operates for your business. Once you're in the Account and Settings window, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Sales tab. This tab is specifically dedicated to managing everything related to how you create and send sales forms, invoices, and customer communications. It's where you'll make all the adjustments to match your specific business requirements. Now click anywhere within the Sales Form Content section to begin editing your sales form preferences. Here's where things get interesting. You'll see several toggle options that let you add or remove fields from your sales forms. These include shipping address fields, custom fields, discount fields, deposit fields, and service date fields. Toggle these on or off based on what information you need to collect from your customers. For example, if you regularly offer discounts, make sure that field is enabled so it appears automatically on your forms. Next, move down to the Invoice Payments section. Click into this area to add payment instructions that will appear on your invoices, helping your clients understand how and where to send payments. Clear payment instructions can significantly speed up how quickly you get paid. Now, let's focus on the Products and Services section. Click into this section and you'll find options to customize how products and services appear on your sales forms. Toggle on Show Product Service column on sales forms if you want drop-down product choices available when you're creating invoices or estimates. This makes the process much faster and more consistent. If you need to track inventory or monitor sales quantities, enable Track Quantity and Price Rate. This feature ensures that every time you create a sales form, QuickBooks automatically tracks the quantities sold and the pricing applied, giving you better control over your inventory and revenue tracking. Before finishing up, take a moment to review other sections like Messages, Reminders, and Online Delivery. Click into these areas to customize your email messages and form delivery preferences, ensuring your communications reflect your brand and business tone. Finally, click Done at the bottom right of the window to save and apply all your sales settings. Your QuickBooks account is now configured to create sales forms that work perfectly for your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.